Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live a stress-free life? Most of us are always going to have some kind of stress, but I want to show you how you can manage your stress rather than your stress manage you. Here are 3 good reasons why you should purchase my self-care toolkit to help you overcome your stress, your anxiety, and your overwhelm. Firstly, don't forget the price of this self-care toolkit is less than the price of one single therapy session. Secondly, you receive over 6 hours of self-paced guidance and methods that you can use over and over again for yourself and your family. Thirdly, these methods work immediately. I've personally used these methods and techniques to manage my own stress and overwhelm and even post-traumatic stress. My teachers showed me how to do it. I show my clients now how to manage and calm their emotions, and I'm super excited to help you manage and calm your emotions.